Oh, hi everyone. It's Casey with Mystic. I'm just going through some of the free stamps I got from Boston 2026. I'm having a little bit of a hard time figuring out which countries they're all from, because some of them have country names that aren't in English, especially some that are from Asia. It's a little tough to figure out for someone like me who hasn't been collecting stamps for very long. So I'm going to go on a little bit of a journey to figure out where all these stamps come from. Why don't you come along with me? Let's go. All right, for some of these, it's pretty easy to tell where they're from. For example, this one has the telltale head of a British monarch, so that's easily enough identified as being from the UK. But then some other ones like this, we've got some unusual characters on there, and I'm certainly not an expert in all of the languages of the world, so I need a little extra help figuring out where this is from. So what do? Well, I find it extremely easy to take a quick picture with my phone and do a little reverse image search on the internet. Once you've taken your picture, you can go to your favorite reverse image search website. I like TinEye, but you can use Google or any other one that you can find. I'm gonna upload my image from my photo library. As you can see, I've been doing this with a few other stamps. We'll choose the one I just took a picture of. Okay, we have 23 results. Sometimes you'll get some that don't make a lot of sense. Like this obviously is not the same stamp. This one looks pretty similar, but I know from past searching, this website's not in English, so I'm not gonna click on it. I could try the eBay listing, but I'd rather find one that seems a little bit more reputable. Okay, Wikimedia Commons, that's usually a pretty safe bet. Soviet Union, 1921. All right. And we have some Russian down here. So that gives me a pretty good idea of what I need to verify in the Scott catalog. So what I'm gonna do next is I will go to our digital subscription of the Scott catalog, and I will kind of just browse Soviet Union stamps from 1920, 1921. Sometimes these years online aren't 100% accurate, so you might have to poke around a little bit. But that's pretty much it. That's how you look up the country on a stamp based on a reverse image search. Not too hard, right? All right, I think that's about it for this video. I'm gonna get back to identifying these worldwide stamps, but let me know if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover in the future, especially from a beginner's perspective. I'll see you next time, and happy collecting.